Hi everyone, it's Martin from Kyloe Partners here. Thank you for watching this short video showing you how our latest upgrade to AwesomeDocs, DocumentMerge, can create your submission packets for you right from within Bullhorn. So my candidate Lucy has been submitted to a position we've got open with United Healthcare as a registered nurse. So we can select that position from here and press apply to DocumentMerge. DocumentMerge knows that we're working with United Healthcare, so it's automatically chosen my submission packet that I require. It's also automatically chosen files for me, such as the cover sheet and candidate's resume. So I can press create and it will take the cover sheet and the resume, merge that together as my first document and give me the opportunity to edit within Word. So I open, I can make some changes, so let's remove our personal details, and pressing save, push that back into my pack. Green tick. It's also chosen my references that I need, so I'll create that into another document. And in addition, because we are working with United Healthcare on this job, we know the requirements that we need. So it's also automatically assigned the credentials as part of the pack. We then also always have to choose this particular fixed file, so it's automatically assigned, and if required we can get other documents from elsewhere, such as our local machine, by choosing this. Without further ado, just press staple and it'll merge all of these together into one document for us. And once complete, it will send it straight back to the candidate's record into the Files tab ready for us to use. Now thank you for watching this quick video, and I hope to see you all soon for a full demo.